Hey guys, and welcome back to the third and final part of this Jigsaw event series. Today is the final phase, which is cross country, and this is the one that me and Yoda have been the most excited for. Right, I'm on my way to collect the pony. Mum has told me he's very muddy, so I'm kind of dreading seeing him. Let's take a look at this magnificent mud beast. Hi, yep, hi. Let's have a look, guys. Yeah, bit of mud on the side. Wow, beautiful that is. We have successfully washed Mr. Yoda. So, oh Yoda, don't wee on the floor. Oh dear. Poor soggy baby. Soggy baby. Come here, my child. Good boy. Come here. Yes, well it's got like 4 slices in it.
So just a rug.
Oh.
Rug in like snacks and you want to put
Good boy, Yoda. Oh, well done. Okay, nice circle. Recollect ourselves. Yes, it's fun now, Yoda. Go, Yoda. Very nice. Lovely. Whee! Very nice. Yes, lovely. Yes, they are. That's gorgeous. Right, I so believe in you now. Yes, they are. Yes. Right, come on. Yes. Wait. Good boy. Yay!
How was my round?
It was really lovely. I was actually really proud of you.
Very rhythmical, nice forward movement. It's very impressive.
Was
Nice
it very
and balanced.
speedy?
It was speedy.
It was good speed for Yoda. Yeah, good speed.
For Yoda?
For Yoda.
What does that mean?
Well, compared to like a racehorse, it wasn't that fast. But
Yoda is a racehorse.
Good speed.
He is a speedy boy.
Yeah, no, impressive. Very good.
I swear, in every single one of these, it's going to be one of you with your eyeball at the camera. Say something.
We're doing an interview.
What would you like me to say? Yoda looked very smart, very groomed nicely.
He didn't. He's too fluffy. He needs
I'm
to
looking
clean
forward
him.
to you two doing your pairs competition.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
explain to them what we're doing. Oh, it won't do
Oh, so Emily and Thea are doing a Christmas pairs competition in fancy dress. I believe we have a Grinch and a gingerbread person.
Yes.
Yeah.
See, I was politically correct there with the gingerbread person.
Well done, you.
Yeah, it's
Well,
good.
I keep
You won't
thinking
offend
you're
anyone.
a Christmas pudding.
And They can choose whether they jump 70, 80 or 90, I think, on each individual fence. And I won't be there. So Thea's mum's taking them both.
You've abandoned
I'm at a spa, yes. I need it.
So this is our poop scoop up, pooping,
She
the
looks
scooping.
really sad.
We're really sad for her.
Wait, let's see when she realises.
No, you- Get ready in that.
You looked really sad.
Tell I don't do any of that.
Oh no, hockey's.
Now, what's your impression of a teacher with your big stick? Oh, okay.
You're not in the musical.
Hello, my child. You're so pretty. Come on. We've just got home and he was so good. The first round we did, which was the 70, was quite sticky. He was quite spooky looking at them. And then we had a stop at number 4, which was like, it was like a hay feeder. You didn't see that it was hollow until you were right up close to it. So when he got there, he was just like, oh no, it's a bit scary. We did the most amazing second round and he jumped everything. And it was actually fastest time for some reason, which isn't usually what arena cross country is. But we went nice and speedy. And we actually came second for the arena cross country. And then we had to wait a bit, but they then announced the overall placings for the Jigsaw event itself. Got my camera. And we came third, didn't we? Didn't we? Yeah. Good boy. So I'm super pleased with that. We've got some prizes. We won a free print from the photographer, a lead rope, a lead rope, a bottle of horse shampoo, and a pony advent calendar, which he's already had his first day of. You're very pleased with that, aren't you, buddy? Nice, yummy sweeties. So I'm super proud of him, and he's done so well for the don't eat me. And he's done super well in all 3 of the competitions, and we got placed in all of them, and we got placed overall in the top 3. So I'm super pleased, and it's been such a fun competition. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it as much as I have. I'm gonna change his rug and put him out for an hour in the field. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog.